Hi, hello. My name is Robin. I am 44 years old from the Philippines. I am married. I have one son, 15 years old, and two daughters, 20 and 8 years old. My highest education is I'm a college graduate. My expertise are pet care, farm works, gardening, general household work, and car washing. I work as a domestic helper in Hong Kong for 6 years with one employer. But I currently serve 5 adults and one high school kid. My duties are taking care of the farm, general household work, car washing, pet care, feeding animals, and maintaining plants at farmland. I am I am willing also to take care of pets. Pets. My future employer, mom and sir, please choose me as your household worker because I am hardworking, honest, fast learner, and able to learn new tasks effectively and quickly. I promise to be a good household worker and promise to prioritize my job and finish my contract or more. Thank you, mom and sir. I'm looking forward to work with you.